If you've been thinking about the Vermont Chalky Paint ProPack and not sure how exactly that works, well, you are in the right spot. I'm Sarah Spencer. I'm the founder and CEO of Vermont Chalky Paint. It's a non-toxic decorative paint that's manufactured and made here in Vermont. We have some neutral colors and we also have some brighter colors to join into our color palette with Vermont Chalky Paints.
To achieve this beautiful Shelburne navy, all you need is a Shelburne Navy ProPack. Everything you need inside the ProPack. Make sure you clean your cabinets thoroughly. Put at least 2 coats of the base coat down for Shelburne Navy. Let them completely dry in between paintings. When it's completely dry, time for your drizzle. A little goes a long way. Use your round brush to mix it in and then a baby wipe to wipe up the excess to give you that depth on your piece. Lastly, use our clear coat, a non-toxic substitute for polyurethane, and you're ready to hang your cabinets. Learn more at VermontChalkyPaint.com.